Another early morning, 3:30. Safety dad is worried we're gonna miss the plane. I told him, don't worry, they've got more. They're just like taxis that keep coming
always
around.
Late.
I'm early for tomorrow, usually. Today, we are off to where, Paulie? Malaysia. We are going to the Rainforest Challenge. Who are we?
RFC!
We are RFC.
It's good. RFC is good.
We got the Reese's Cream Donut and a mocha. This is how we roll. All about them games.
And again, we're late to the gate. Watching the guys struggle with the fuel cap on the plane, so
Pretty reassuring.
good. Hopefully they put in extra.
It's time to be a grown-up person. Well, we've made it to Malaysia. We're to our flight. What do you reckon so far, Paulie? It's actually quite cool today.
It is. Bit of rain.
Now the Polish team brings some cool vehicles every year. Check this thing out. These tires mean business. Looking forward to seeing some videos of this in action. Because I quite like the Volvo C303s. They are quite a short wheelbase. I prefer the C304, slightly longer. My friend's actually got one here that he's building, wants to put a 2JZ in it. Hopefully, next time we come back to Malaysia, because we're only here for 24 hours, just to catch up with friends and grab some quick action for you guys. We want to come back and check out Gecko's one once he's done his with the 2JZ, and he's got another one that he's building. Now these things come on portal axles.
Big winch. There's a winch in the front, in the back, and one inside.
Winches for days,
And one in the
storage for days.
middle.
Got bucket seats in the back with harnesses.
Waco for the beer.
I would absolutely love to have one of these. Would love it. Team Poland, you guys know how to roll.
Sorry, I stand corrected. There's two winches in the front, one in the back, and one inside.
Yeah, and there's eyelets to winch off the side.
Yeah.
That's a serious piece of kit, and I want one real bad. But for now, we've actually just ordered an Uber, and we're just going to head up to the new mall where everyone's there for scrutineering and tech contingency. So we will give you guys an update shortly. We've made it to RFC. It's here. We're here at the scrutineering. Unfortunately, it's actually very quiet. I think there's still some cars at port, and we've got some cars that are going direct to Kuantan. Now, unfortunately, I'm very sad to say we're not staying for RFC this year. We're literally just here to come and catch up with friends, drink some beers later on, and see the trucks. We've been to RFC the last 3 years in a row, so we'll miss it dearly. It is one of the most favourite things on our calendar for us. Sleeping in the jungle for 10 days with some crazy wheeling. But we're going back to Thailand tomorrow, and we're going to go film the Offroad Trophy, so that's going to give us plenty of action. Anyways, you guys check out some of these rigs, and I'm going to go catch up with some friends.
How many horsepower plus?
How much HP plus? 25. Okay.
of course, from Suzuki. Window.
Window.
Front window.
That is about it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You stole my bag.
Yeah,
Stole my bag, huh?
yeah, because I'm a legal man, you know.